Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the gold market for the next Monday to Friday. That means for the next week, and we will break down the support, resistance, trend line, and key zones to find out our next week market directions. Before we start, I'm gonna show you our last week trading analysis, which we put into Telegram channel. As you can see there, our last week's analysis was on bullish direction, and it just happened. It just touched around 3450, and into our Telegram channel we are sharing a lot of fundamental analysis. Also, you will get real-time news analysis and real-time technical analysis. That means what it will be next direction or next zone to buy or sell gold. So if you are interested to join into our Telegram channel, you may join Telegram channel, link in the video description box. Okay, so let's get back into market. As per our trading style, we always start our analysis higher time frame, then we will go for lower time frame. That means we will start our analysis from the weekly, then we will go or find out our path or direction in daily time frame, then we can find out a proper entry in H4 or H1 time frame. So let's get back into weekly time frame. As per you can see there, from the past few weeks, market is on buy direction, and market is trying to reach all-time high again and again, but it was unable to reach all-time high. As you can see there, 3501 was all-time high. That means a previous all-time high. And if I want to say, or if I want to show the market direction, that means market trend, as you can see there, market is on buy trend from the long time ago, and it's just trying to create a channel over here, and market is just this resistance area. That means 3448 or 3450. So let's get back our daily time frame to find out our proper path or direction. So firstly, I need to go for daily time frame to find out our proper path or direction. As per you can see there, in daily time frame, let me make it a little bit lower, and in daily time frame, as per, if I want to draw the support and resistance or trend line zone, if I starting with our trend line analysis, as you can see that there was a trend line, and market just respected this area one time, and here is another time, and here is another time. Each and every time market touch this channel, again go up, again touch this channel, and again trying to go up but fall, again touch this channel, and again up. That means this is the most stronger or most important channel in this particular chart. And let find out our resistance zone into daily time frame. As per you can see there, market respected that zone a lot of time. And if I want to count, as you can see that there was a week, that means a bullish week, and then in daily time frame market go down, and there was second time, there was third time, and fourth time, and still on fifth time, and our all-time high was 3501 zone. So I hope you understand all of the channel and zones. So let find out a proper direction or market trends or market movements on H4 time frame. So let's get back into H4 time frame, and if I especially want to show you H4 direction or H4 channels, and if I find out here, as you can see there is a trend line formation, and market just make a bullish breakout around that area. It just retested this particular area, and by creating pattern over the week, market just trying to go up, and again it just reached our 3550 area, as per I showing into Telegram, or as per we post the analysis on the Telegram. As you can see there, 3450 area. Okay, and if I want to show you the proper zone or direction or what is happening around that particular area, basically there is a lot of inflation coming up in upcoming days in United States dollar. That's why when dollar lose its strength, or when dollar weaker than previous days, in that moment gold is trying to fly up, or gold is fly away. Okay, and what can we do for the next few days, or what can be the scenario for the next few days? So let's get back into H1 to find out a proper path or find out our proper entry zone. So let me remove all of previous drawing, and especially if I want to zoom in a little bit bigger. Okay, so as you can see the market, our H4 trend line was that particular area. In that particular area, market just make a breakout over that zone, retest again and fly away. So the retest area is working each and every day, so we have to follow the retest zone carefully and we have to respect the retest zone. So if I want to find out our proper path or direction, so let me it little bit bigger, or let's get back into H4 time frame to make the chart zoom out, so it will be better understanding for all of you guys. And if I want to demonstrate, or if I want to mark the all-time high zone once again, that was 3449 or 3500, that particular area again. And okay, and as you can see there, market is currently on a resistance area, okay, on a resistance area. So as per the geopolitical issues, or as per the gold trends, gold is under buying pressure from a long time ago, as per I said, or as per I show you before. And we are expecting gold will fly more. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, why? There is some reason. That can be Fed related issue, that means Donald Trump, and Fed related issue, that can be geopolitical issues like Russia, Ukraine, where, and that can be tariff related issue. Okay, and you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why you want to find out your entry zone, or why you want to find out your market next direction. So as you can see there is a support zone. Okay, this is our support zone, or smart money calls, maybe called supply zone. Okay, let me make it supply area. This is our one of the supply area. So in technical view, or from my side, market will go back, market will go back till that supply area. Again, it will go up till 3500, or our all-time high zone. It may go more up, but our initial target is 3500. And you may know that there is a lot of geopolitical issues. There is a lot of conclusion from the Donald Trump and others. So market is trying to go up day by day. It just is increasing, and invested dollar just getting more or losing more strength. As you know that, as per I said in our previous fundamental analysis, United States court just dismissed the Donald Trump's tariff issue. So if they remove or reduce the tariff, United States dollar will lost its strength again. So that is weakness, or that is a weaker point of United States dollar and stronger point of gold. There is another Fed related issue. That means if Fed decrease the interest rate, gold will fly more. And there is also in upcoming weeks we have unemployment claim news. So if unemployment claim news comes with negative data, jobless claim lower than previous, it will be fly more. You have to keep your concern. So you have to take your concern or keep your concern on geopolitical issues also. So what we can expect for the next few days before before we demonstrate that, let's check it with Fibonacci retracement. So we want to try that latest zone all-time high and latest zone all-time low. So if we want to make this more accurate, and as you can see there, it's now in already a Fibonacci area, which is, as you can see there, and there in our area, there in our zone, there is also 0.618. So this is the strongest area. So it may go down again, it may fly away till that particular area. So I hope you understand that thing, and let's make it clear visible for the chart and remove the Fibonacci area to make this chart clean. And if I want to draw that, that our initial target is that particular area, okay, that particular area. So what will be happen there? Market will down till that particular area. Again, it will fly that, and you may take your entry this particular area, and your SL should be here. Here is risk to reward ratio 3.32. 1 is to your risk. If your risk is 1, your reward will be 3.32. That is the zone, and you may take a screenshot over here. So I'm going to take a screenshot for my group or Telegram channel. So This is for the long time investor. And if you ask me, Mr. Boom, our equity is too low, what can we do? So let's get back into M15 time frame as per we scalp, or as per we are using our scalping setup or scalping entry. So as you can see there, currently there is a lot of conclusion happening. So for the scalper, what we can do, we can wait till this supply area. We have to wait for this supply area, and again when it reach into that supply area, then we can take our buy entry, and our SL will be under that supply area. So what will be happen there, that market will come all around that particular area, again it will fly. Okay, so we have to wait for that particular area to take buy entry, and market is strong bullish trend. So there is a lot of thing to go buy, and if it goes sell, that means if it drove from that particular area, we will wait for pullback. Then with candle confirmation, we can take sell entry from that particular area for a small time frame. Okay, and you have to always follow geopolitical issues. What is Donald Trump saying or speaking? What is the reason, and what is the Fed's concern, and the news data is very very important. And most important news, NFP is coming in upcoming weeks, so you have to keep your concern on that. And we are sharing all of thing into our Telegram channel, so you may join our Telegram channel to get all of the update. And we are sharing daily free signals and other things into geopolitical related issues. As you consider, inflation rose 2.9% in July. Okay, and we are sharing a lot of news data, what time news is coming, and what is Fed saying in that case. Okay, as you can see there is news data. We are sharing a lot of conclusion into our Telegram channel, so if you are interested, you may join there. So I hope that will works for you. So Mr. Boom signing out. Happy trading. Have a nice day.